Imagine standing in front of the mirror, running your fingers through long, silky, and strong hair. The kind of hair that shines naturally and feels alive. Now imagine achieving that not through expensive salon treatments or fancy products, but with something that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Rice. Yes, you heard that right. The same rice you eat daily might hold the ancient secret to extraordinary hair growth. But what makes rice water so special? And can this centuries-old tradition really transform your hair? Let's uncover the truth. In this video, we're diving deep into the ancient origins, modern science, and practical uses of rice water for hair growth. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this humble remedy deserves a spot in your hair care routine or not. The ancient roots of rice water hair care. In Japan's Heian period, over 1,000 years ago, women were known for their floor-length hair, known as kurokami, or beautiful black hair. Their secret? A fermented rice water rinse called yusuru. And in China, the Yao women from the village of Huangluo, often called the long hair village, have hair that averages nearly 6 feet long, even into old age. They credit their thick, dark, and glossy locks to rinsing their hair in fermented rice water for generations. So yes, rice water isn't just a trendy hack, it's a time-tested tradition. But traditional wisdom is one thing. What does modern science say?
The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video.
What exactly is rice water? Rice water is simply the starchy liquid left after soaking or boiling rice. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. It's loaded with nutrients that feed your hair from root to tip. It contains amino acids, vitamin B complex, vitamin E, minerals like magnesium and zinc, and most importantly, inositol, a carbohydrate that's been shown to repair damaged hair and protect it from future breakage. Inositol penetrates deep into the hair shaft, reducing friction and strengthening the inner structure of your strands. That's why many people who regularly use rice water report smoother, shinier, and visibly thicker hair within weeks. How to make rice water the right way. There are 3 main ways to prepare rice water, and each has its benefits. 1. Soaking method. Rinse 1/2 cup of uncooked rice to remove impurities. Place it in a bowl with 2 to 3 cups of water. Let it soak for 30 minutes, then strain the water into a clean container. This is the simplest method and retains most of the vitamins and minerals. 2. Boiling method. Boil rice with extra water. Once cooked, strain the starchy water. This method creates a more concentrated version, so make sure to dilute it before applying to your hair. 3. Fermentation method. Most powerful but a bit smelly. After soaking the rice for 30 minutes, let the water sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. When it smells slightly sour, it's ready. Store it in the fridge to prevent further fermentation. Fermentation increases the nutrient levels and lowers pH, making it more similar to the scalp's natural pH. So, which method is best? If you're just starting out, go for the soaking method. It's safe and gentle. But if you want maximum benefit, the fermented version packs the most punch for hair growth and repair. Have you ever tried rice water on your hair before? If yes, did it work for you? If not, what's stopping you? Drop your experience or questions in the comments. You might help someone else on the same journey. How to apply rice water for maximum results. Once your rice water is ready, here's how to apply it. 1. Wash your hair as usual with shampoo. 2. Pour the rice water onto your scalp and hair, making sure every strand is soaked. 3. Gently massage your scalp for 5 minutes. This boosts blood circulation and helps absorption. 4. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Start with 10 minutes if you're new to it, especially with fermented rice water. 5. Rinse thoroughly with plain water. Repeat this 1 to 2 times per week. Using it too often can actually dry out your hair due to protein overload. And don't forget, consistency is key. You may not see dramatic results overnight, but with regular use over 4 to 6 weeks, many people report stronger, shinier, and longer hair. Real results. What people are saying. Thousands of people have documented their rice water journeys online, showing dramatic before and after hair transformations. Some report reduced hair shedding, faster hair growth, up to 1 inch per month, softer, more manageable hair, noticeably thicker hair after consistent use. However, results vary. Some people may experience initial dryness or protein overload. That's why it's essential to balance it with moisturizing treatments, especially if you have naturally dry or curly hair. Rice water is safe, affordable, and backed by both tradition and science. If you're looking for a natural way to support hair health, it's definitely worth a try. But remember, hair growth depends on multiple factors. Your diet, stress levels, hormonal balance, and genetics all play a role. Rice water can help enhance your hair's strength and appearance, but it's not a cure-all. If you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about getting healthier, stronger hair. So here's a challenge. Try rice water consistently for 4 weeks, then come back and tell us what changed. We'd love to feature some of your stories in a future video.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.